Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, back with another video, man. I finally secured the bag, you know what I'm saying? I finally got my kicks in from my boy the Retro Wiz Kid. Shouts out to again to my bro for hooking me up for this major, I call it a steal deal, whatever you want to call it, man. Got this pair of shoes for retail, and this is my third time having this shoe, and this is my first time copping for retail, you feel me? So I done lost a lot of money. I made a little bit back, but this time I finally got it for retail, so that's a huge blessing, man. And shouts out to my boy, you know what I'm saying? So with all that being said, first I need y'all to subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell for your boys. You know, there's another video, man. I've been posting videos every single day. I'm gonna try to keep that going for y'all boys. And also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at The Vintage World. You can hit the link in the description box below, or you can just copy and paste The Vintage World straight into your Instagram browser, you feel me? So with all that being said, let's get straight into the kicks, man. Let's get it.
Oh, that's what they made, huh? Cause I show my ass, huh? And I'm in my bag, huh? Oh, that's what they made for. That's what they made.
Here you have it. The mud's almost slid open, man. I already did an unboxing. I had to get my boy his shoes, you feel me? And I was about to peek inside of mine, but he can attest to it. I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait. Because I seen that a lot of people saying there's differences and outsole and stuff. I just want to get my initial reaction, my true first reaction to the shoe. Because you know, being sneakerhead, getting a new pair of shoes is just like the world and just like the dopest shit ever. So that's why I always like to bring out my first reaction, regardless if it's a hype shoe or not a hype shoe. Yeah, I'm keeping it 100, you feel me? So I've been telling people it's either a 700, 500, or a 350. And then you can see right here, it is a 350. So I'm pretty sure everybody already know what it is right now, because it's only been 2 past colorways are released recently, which was the Zebras and the Butters. I think they call it the Butters, yeah. You know what I'm talking about. And I don't think it was called the Butters. What was it called? The Sesames. The Sesame joints, you feel me? And here you have it. You got a Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Fish colorway is white, black, and red, you feel me? And there you have it right there, size and label. You just know what you're gonna get when you get this brown box, man. You're gonna get like an off-white colorway or shoe, or you're gonna get a 350 or Yeezy, you feel me? So here you go. Check out the box real quick. I know y'all probably seen like, I done seen like 6 reviews over the shoe. Just see the differences between the old pair and this pair. And yeah, I don't know, just still amazing to have this shoe, you feel me? So let's open it up real quick. Slide out gang. Got that brown paper. And then, woo, I see them things right there, boy. Here you have it. Let me turn it this way for y'all. And here you have it. Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Zebras, man. There you have it, man. Finally got them again. As y'all know, if y'all been an OG subscriber, you know I done had this shoe already 3 times. This is my 3rd time having this shoe. And like looking at my old video, my outsole was not way yellower, but you can tell it was darker yellow than this right here. As you can see, this is like picking up its true color right here. This right here is mid, because you know the outsole is 3 different sections. The mid section was a little darker than this, you feel me? But yeah, here you have it. Adidas Yeezy Zebras, man. 3rd time having them, and this time I promise y'all, this is staying in the collection. I'm not doing it no more. I'm not selling no more shoes. Only way I give some shoes away is to my little brother, you feel me? Or if I do a giveaway, collab with somebody on YouTube. So I don't mind giving back. I just ain't selling my shoes no more, you feel me? I ain't selling them no more. If I do a giveaway, it would have to be because I got an extra pair or something. Somebody send me a pair, or if we're doing a collab, you feel like I just said, man. So hopefully I got another giveaway coming very soon. Maybe when I hit like 15K, do a little quick little giveaway, probably some sneakers or something, whatever hot around that time. You know I don't mind giving shoes away, money away, just whatever comes in my head, I give it away to my subscribers, for my supporters, because y'all support me, I support y'all, you feel me? If that makes sense.
Don't care.
But yeah, here you have it. Adidas Yeezy 350 V2. They go that right shoe right there. Just dope, man. Dope. And as y'all seen like on my other videos, I've been saying like, I'm gonna cop more Yeezys. I'm gonna have more Yeezys in my collection. And this is just the first one to start it off, you feel me? The first one to start off. And yeah, like I got another pair. I'm getting a pair Friday. I might as well tell y'all now. I'm picking up the Adidas 500 salts. I'm picking them joints up. I was debating on getting those or the utility blacks or the cream colorway or the sand desert colorway, just because this shoe is like predominantly white and the salts or like that little, you know what I'm saying, they the sauce, you feel me? I put a picture right here so y'all can check it out. But I'm going to cop those on Friday. As soon as I get off work, I'm going straight up to Nuremberg and I'm copping them joints. I think they like 200 euros. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna finally hit y'all with a reviewing on feet of some Yeezys because I have not done that on the channel. I feel like it's a little too late to hit y'all with a reviewing on feet of these, even though they fired, I would like doing it. But yeah, I'm just, bro, like, I'm not even trying to hype this up. Like, I'm happy I got this shoe again in my collection, and I feel like if I would have kept those Yeezys, I would have had to get another pair because they would have been beat up. You know what I'm saying? Like, around my birthday time last year, I wore them shoes a lot. You know what I'm saying? I wore them like 3 times in just 1 week, and y'all know I got like over 150 pair of shoes. Like, that's just unheard of, you feel me? If you got 150 pair of shoes, why are you wearing the same shoe? Why is the same shoe in your rotation? It's just kind of crazy, you feel me? And got a shirt to go with this, got an outfit to go with this, so hopefully I can find me a photographer here in Germany. I already hit somebody up on Instagram, so hopefully I find somebody so I gotta take more pictures because it's kind of hard, you feel me? So that's it for this video. Sorry for talking y'all head off, but I'm glad I got y'all here. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up for your boy's first Yeezy in the collection. Make sure you hit that thumbs up just because you support your boy. Subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'll probably throw a picture up or something on my story saying I copped these. And yeah, man, these motherfuckers is fire. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the Adidas Yeezy Zebras in the comment section below. And let me know if this is a big W or a big L. Bricks or fire, heat, height. Let me know something in the comment section below. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.